Hi there, students. Puckish. Puckish. Okay, this is an adjective. You can have the adverb puckishly or even puckishness, the quality. Okay, if you describe somebody as puckish, you mean they're always playing tricks on people. They're teasing people. They're naughty. They're rather sly. They're badly behaved. Yeah. So he's a very puckish character. He's impish. He's full of mischief. Yeah. He puckishly puts salt in the sugar container. Okay. Puckish. He's has a very puckish sense of humour. His puckish attitude meant that he was always playing jokes. Okay, so if you describe somebody as pluckish, they're playful, but in a mischievous way. Yeah, they're a bit of a rogue. They're playful, but they're always getting people in trouble. Now, the origin of this comes from Puck. Puck is a character in A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. And Puck is mischievous. He's a fairy, a hobgoblin. Yeah, he's playing tricks on people, and he's influencing event. Puck loves pranks. Yeah, and Puck actually comes from Puka of Celtic mythology. Yeah, Puka is a sprite, a magic creature, some sort of fairy or hobgoblin. Yeah, this word appears in Norse Puki, in Old Swedish Puke. Yeah, and Puke is a goblin, a sprite, a fairy, an imp, an elf, who's I think brings good and bad luck, and helps people or not. But this is a very old-fashioned spirit, a fairy, if you like. Okay, so puckish. From this we get puckish. Somebody who's mischievous, who's extremely playful. Yeah. He puckishly put cooking oil in the shampoo. Okay, so puckish. Yeah. If you describe somebody as puckish, you're saying they're mischievous, they're naughty, they're playing tricks, they're annoyingly playful. Yeah, they like to play wicked pranks on people. Yeah, well, pranks are quite fun. You might say they're very playful or high-spirited, but well, I think maybe if you're the object of these types of joke, it's not so much fun. It depends. So puckishness, playing jokes. Yeah, he had a puckish smile on his face. He's certainly a very naughty person. Okay, I think that's enough. Formality, puckish. I think I would probably give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And the origin, as I said, it comes from Puck, from A Midsummer Night's Dream, but that comes from further back, from North or Celtic mythology, Puka. So puckish, yeah. I think this is this is one of these old spirits. Yeah. Also, actually, interestingly, this spirit can also be called Robin Goodfellow or Hobgoblin, and the hob bit is instead of Robin or Rob, so Rob hobgoblin, a hobgoblin. Yeah, Puck is one of the fairy folk. Is one of these little spirits, that, well, has been around for forever. It's a domestic house spirit that might assist the housewife with her chores or do all sorts of things, but you needed to give him bread and milk if he helped you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Puckishly, Puckishness.